Alexandra, can you come show us? Haz tu puzzle. Oh, where'd they go? Come here, can you show me? Where does this go? Barn. Here it is. Trying to get her to do her puzzle. Let's see if she does it. Come here. Can you show me? Here. Quick, quick. ¿Dónde va el quick, quick? Here. This one. Oh, you want to do that one? Oh, we can't find the square. Oh, no. ¿Dónde? ¿Dónde? Oh, I think we're not going to move on until we find the square, are we? Look at this mess. Well, that's why we can't find the square. How about these? You don't want to try that? Oink, oink. Alex, le quiero enseñar a Nina y a Kika that you know how to do the puzzle. Can you show them? Where does the barn go? Where does that go? ¿Dónde va, Alex? Chocolate face? Alex? Alexandra? Here? Oh, no. Where does it go? ¿Dónde va? ¿Dónde va? Oh, that one? Hee. Moo. Where does the hee? Horsey. Barn. There it goes. Horsey. How about this one? Bah. Look at that. Oink, oink. You know that it doesn't go there. There you go. Where does the quack quack go? Yeah, you did it. Yeah, I know. We can't find the goat and the chicken. Well, the goat is kaput. Oh, what's wrong? She's still very upset que no encontramos el cuadro azul. Anyway, back to this. El perro se comió el goat y el chicken, no sé dónde está. Y aquí no encontramos el square. Oh, man. Well, we can look si lo encuentro rápido. Who knows where it is? Sorry, but you did a good job on the puzzle. We'll keep looking, okay? Oh, yes. Oi. ¿Cómo le haces? Oh. Choo-choo train. Chucu. ¿Cómo le haces, Alex? Choo-choo. Alex. That's a choo-choo train. Mándame besito.